On Thursday, September 13th, 2023, headlines were announced that Caesars Entertainment had paid tens of millions of dollars to hackers who had compromised the network of the casino operator. Caesars' ransom payment follows a similar attack that targeted MGM Resorts earlier in the month. This is the latest cyber event to impact global businesses, and the fallout will be vast, simply because of the international nature of both companies' operations. While Caesars Entertainment is not active in Macau, MGM Resorts does have holdings in the territory, so it may not only be American customers who will feel the fallout of this casino attack. The announcement that two major, well-funded, and well-prepared companies were victims of an extensive hacking event should be a wake-up call to businesses around the world, especially as this was only one instance of cybercrime impacting businesses this month. From banks suffering extensive network penetrations through to the hospitals and hotels that have announced that they too are the victim of hacks and cyber threats, it is a statement of fact that cyber criminals are growing increasingly daring and competent with respect to their crimes. Hong Kong, a city with an extensive service sector which is home to myriad financial services companies, including banks, investment managers, funds, accountants, and even insurance advisors, presents a very attractive target to cyber criminal syndicates worldwide. In the modern world, with the decentralized nature of business and the increasing opportunity for employees to take their work home, it is no longer a question of if your company will suffer a cyber attack, but rather when. Cyber insurance can assist with this challenge. Unlike professional indemnity insurance coverage, the protection provided under a cyber insurance policy applies directly to the company, rather than any clients or customers. While customers may benefit from a cyber insurance policy, this is not the aim of this type of coverage. Under a cyber or digital risks insurance policy, a business or individual is protected against any losses they make directly experience following a cyber event. This may be something like a hack or a social engineering event that enables a bad faith actor to gain access to an organization's network and computer systems. Cyber insurance is a blanket form of protection that can be tailored to meet the specific needs of the organization or entity purchasing the coverage. Whether a business is concerned about business interruption after a cyber event, while they have to pause operations and figure out what's going on, or having to repair their website after a vandal has gained access and altered the content on the platform, the scope of a cyber insurance product can be made to meet the requirements of any company holding the cover. With major organizations getting exposed as victims of cybercrime, the need for adequate protection cannot be overstated for smaller companies. This is particularly true for any business that holds or utilizes client data for its business needs. A great example of this would be a bank or a wealth manager. All businesses will be the target of cybercrime at some point in their existence. Whether or not that attempt is going to be successful depends on a large number of factors, like, for example, how interconnected is your company with its vendors, how recently have you updated your network systems, and how aware of the potential for social engineering is your workforce. Cyber insurance exists to answer these questions, even if many businesses are not asking. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Please remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.